Where's who?
Where is Ojafo? For the last time, where is Ojafo?
Ojafo is not here, I tell you. Ojana mo, you go. And then a bed jollo, if you want. If you want, Ojana mo.
Crazy. Show yourself, old man. Are you a coward? Huh? Don't tell me you are a coward, old man. Show yourself!
Ojana mo! Ojana mo! Hey, go jollo!
Uncle's Day. The day March 2024. We stand before our ancestors and the gods of the land before to do what they've been doing. We are to crown the man whom the gods have given us to be our king, our father, and the mentor. To crown a man today, I, Chief Pius Udemese, the owner of this great kingdom, hereby crown our son, the Udogachi, the sixth of our great kingdom.
That's right. Chief Pius Udense, are you mad? How dare you take what belongs to kings and hand over to a pig?
Madoka, you're supposed not to be here. You're supposed not to be here. And why are you here?
Want me to abandon my father's legacy, my father's kingdom, my father's throne? Want me to abandon it for you and your team of scallywags?
Madoka, what do you want?
It's simple. I am here to take what rightfully belongs to me. The throne of Umudim Kingdom. It is hereditary. It passes from father to first son. And I am the first son. You are my little brother. You cannot have what rightfully belongs to me.
Madoka, you cannot be the king. Tradition will not allow you to be the king or hold any other political position. Madoka, you are not supposed to be here after everything you did. You tried killing our late father because of this throne. Now you are here for the same throne. You must be stupid and senseless at the same time. My prince, hold your peace. Madoka, you cannot be the king because nature and tradition have already denied you that. And as long as I'm alive, Madoka, you can never be the king.
Really? Get him! Get him! Bring him to me, dead or alive! Bring him here, bring him to me, dead or alive!
Neka! What was that?
Prince Madoka barged into the coronation of Prince Ojafo and shot the prince and his wife.
Hey! Wait, you mean the prince and the queen are dead?
No, I think Prince Ojafo survived it. He ran with a bullet. I think the queen is dead.
Hey! Jesus.
I don't know, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? I'm so scared.
We are no longer safe here. I'm scared too.
Hey! Lizzy! I said Lizzy!
What are you talking about?
Where's the prince?
We haven't seen the prince. We haven't seen him.
Let's go. I agree with you. Let's go and find them.
The king himself, the Alpha, the king of kings.
Why you keep here? Madam Millie. Step forward and bless you. Now you're here, the coronation will begin. Elders, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Good. Let the coronation begin. Sit down.
Neka. You know, not if let's say we are getting too comfortable with this. 3 weeks now, be 1 month. We never even see 1999 Corolla change battery. Talk more of so we lose tire. Oh, no, they comfortable. This is not the ordinary. Like the hand they just press upon us like this. No, no, even go from. I know they happy.
We are the best mechanics in this region. Yet we are the poorest. Just take a look at Amechi. That quack. Yet he's living very comfortably. And we can't even buy ourselves recharge card. Not to talk of eating what we want.
I should speak this English now. That be my point. I should so much from this English now. That be my point where. Because our person we know sabi work, they get that clear. You will be like say, see me, see Inji, see me. I look on the see Inji, they lose. And it's normal. You fall down like say this, they touch you. Move find way do this thing our way. Move put juju, move rugged down with juju. Move see where how you go be. Move put spiritual matter inside it. You fall down. If na location dey, just believe. Go match there.
What do you want me to do? Huh? Exactly what do you want me to do? Listen, I'm your elder brother. I should be more concerned here for you. But my head's tight. If you talk about this business, we are the best in this town. We know what we are doing. Eh? Our capability can never be undermined by anyone. But look at our shop, look at it. Come up back. You can't even see the news. You think I'm happy? I'm not happy. But if I'm angry now, and you are angry, how do we get solution?
Solution will come out. No more, you take your hand this time. Nothing tie your hand. Just change clothes, move the go, alone location. Move go do the food. Move go price out. If na sacrifice, we do sacrifice. Sacrifice we sacrifice. I go left for you. Imagine say we chop around 12. We chop around another 12.
Ah, Nne, how are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
You're welcome. Please sit. My dear, we are still cutting hours. Nothing to show up. We'll be here since morning. Not even keke na pepe. In fact, let them breathe tire. To a pump. Nothing. It is well, oh my sister. It is well. Amen, oh, amen.
Just believe in God and someday to be better, okay?
Now you just talk God's time is the best. Okay, Mike, I'm gonna just talk God's time is the best. You open your mouth talk say God's time is the best for this kind of weather. For this kind of weather, like say poverty just sit down pray, you sit down the one person for the one on one like now you don't see where God time go take come out to say God's time is the best before. Now motivation for poor man, now you dey tell me God's time is the best. God's time now they do juju. God's time they run juju one on one like successful juju for juju. Then sacrifice for sacrifice. Now you tell me say God's time is the best. God did the background. Nobody dey comot God. But who go do sacrifice? Who put one for battery?
It's okay. You brought me. It's necessary.
Calm down. Open the food. Calm down. Make am boss am now. Na 3 spoon dey.
Now, Juju, you want to take on Boston?
Ewo. Go give me spoon na. She no dey hungry. No be she cook am.
You don't get extended book. Give me my spoon.
Calm down.
Maybe when I wait, maybe we pray now.
It's for you God's name I pray. Amen. Calm down. Just amen. No, you Did you see anyone with bullets in this direction? I don't see anyone.
It is forbidden for any maid to enter my kitchen to cook or touch the food to be served to the king when menstruating. If caught, such person and her entire family will be wiped off. Secondly, prayer is forbidden in this palace. They can believe in whatever you think. But I do not want to hear or see anybody praying within the 4 walls of this palace. If I see any of you do that, that person will be beheaded. Am I clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
Yes, Your Highness.
Spread the news to others.
This is abomination. The sun has set at noon, and darkness has covered our land. And evil has risen on the land, and calamity looms at us on the face.
Oh! How could this kind of thing happen to us? Our once peaceful land is about to be thrown into chaos.
The challenge now is no one predicts what happens next. If Madoka could kill Onowu of all people, ours,
does it mean we should run away? If we run away from this land, where then are we running to, elders?
Nche. Us is even better. With all this happening in the land, have you seen the obnoxious laws he has enacted? That they must follow in the palace and extended to us outside of the palace. This is pure evil.
What bothers me most is no one speaks of the Zenwine he has chosen to be our way. This our kingdom is in for a doom. Only the gods can save us.
You see? Oh! Nche. I wish Princess Ojafo were alive. Oh! Only him could have saved us, deliver this land from this impending doom.
Ichie, you are right. I hope Princess Ojafo's wife survived the gunshot.
Gods of our land, we need your intervention. Save us from this impending danger that has been looming all over this kingdom. We implore you to save us. We need your intervention. My elders, I don't want to be buffeted again. It's too early for my family to lose me. As you see me now, I'm inside my house.
Iche, huh? Are you going?
I'm here with you.
Stay there.
I still do not understand. Which one is we should stop praying?
Well, that is not even my major concern right now. Because I don't go to church. He said we should stop seeing our menstruation. And because he wants us to enter our menopause. I don't understand.
It's not funny at all. I'm going to write my resignation letter and resign from this palace because this place is no longer safe for us.
You have a point. We all need to leave this palace with our lives intact. Eh? Yes.
Let's go and see him. Let's go and tell him we want out now.
I don't think that's the best thing to do right now. Because he's in a peace already.
My dear, let's go.
Let's go. Both of you can go. Me, I'm going nowhere.
I say move it. Yeah.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Both of you are planning to escape.
Your Highness, please. Please, I am the only child of my parents, please. Just let me go. I promise not to tell anybody what I witnessed in the palace, please.
I'll pardon you this time. You plan such again, I will execute you. Nobody escapes from my palace and remains alive. Leave my presence.
This power is too much. For the children of poor, they travel far and near for this power. Brothers are easy, child. Easy. 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 Easy, child.
I am not your child, young lady. You should address me as Her Majesty, Queen Chinasa Ojafo. I am the queen of this kingdom.
Poor thing. You are not the queen. You are my slave. I brought you back from the dead so that you will help me find your husband.
I've already denied you that. And as long as I'm alive, Madoka, you can never be the king.
Really? Get him! Get him!
Where is my husband? What have you done to him? Please, please do not hurt my husband. Do not hurt him. He is a good man. Please, I beg you. Please, please. Please.
I promise not to hurt him. If you will do what I want you to do for me. Do we have a deal? I will take that as yes.
Is this not Prince Ojafo? Today was supposed to be his coronation. And why is he wounded? Prince Ojafo? Prince Ojafo? Ah! Prince Ojafo. No.
Can you hear that?
I know that person.
Look at it now.
For your normal
Don't try me. 6-2.
You don't go Samuel cast of me.
You would have counted 2 here.
You don't know how to play. Keep quiet.
51. Play. No time.
9.
2 Siki.
What is 2 Siki?
2-6 now.
It's not 2-6. Look at now. Count your 10.
Count.
If you don't go Aba as of me.
No man.
You know how many Champions League I don't win.
Who took you to Aba?
Don't know you. You see, 3. Just 3.
2 Siki.
Play this thing. 2 Siki. Look at it. 6-1.
Siki 1.
Where are you coming from? Who knows you?
Play.
Take it.
Play.
My dear.
Hey, Mike, 1 minute. Please, I want you to accompany me to Benjamin's house. He just called me, said that I should come and attend to someone.
Money is involved now. What are we talking about? Money. Take this thing inside. We're talking about money. Take it inside. No, let's go. This our sister is doing well.
Before she come out,
you are very stupid. I'll be talking about money. You'll be talking about money. Please, hurry, let's go.
8. I don't kill you.
Now let me
8 now. See as I tell you.
I'll teach you how to play.
Now let's go.
Sometimes I don't pay.
This is our mother now.
Parents for Aba.
Yeah, go to Aba. Leave these people.
4-3. Watch now.
Siki appear.
When you count, you
Siki
don't
appear.
count.
We are talking about money. Let's go.
2 Siki. No, I'm gonna move. Go where?
You guys.
Okay, you are coming too.
No, I mean no like money.
So this is you walk now. Eh?
This question.
Be fast now. Hey, brothers. We are here now, but you people should wait for me here. Benji asked me to come alone.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sit and
Who
wait
be
for
this
me.
patient where they hide like say na newborn na get
What
we
is your
get belly?
business?
What is your problem? Who be na body dey here? Na body dey here. Tell me say good.
Don't just go.
Oga, sit and wait for me. I dey come. Sit.
Na secret affairs will come. Who be this patient?
Sit down.
Must you know everything? Sit and wait for me. I'm coming. What matters is the money.
Bam! That is it. The money. Just go. Huh? You'll be here.
Benji.
Yes, sir. No, Samara.
I'm here.
I asked you to come alone. Why did you come with your brothers?
Benji.
Yes.
Relax. When the purpose of a team is not known, abuse becomes inevitable. We are not here because of you. Stop panicking. We don't want to even know who you are hiding in there. We came because of my sister.
Mike, I understand people love each other so much. But you see, this is an important secret. No, Samara. Please, let this secret be between both of us.
Cross my heart, I give you my word.
Good. Come. Let's go inside. Inside the back.
Okay.
Please, Amara, be careful, okay?
Wait for me.
She's okay.
People where they keep secret, they wear this kind of.
Are we interested in that secret?
May they bring the money come.
Whoever is hiding there.
If na Buhari they say, I be na omotala mado, I be omotala who?
You are talking too much.
If na when they hide Buhari there, they don't hide and reach like this. see in camp, they talk of secret.
That is his headache. All we need is the money. But you talk too much. Relax.
Which kind of pattern be that one? We don't know the hide person. Let's say na mommy pikin we get belly on.
Nurse, please take good care of him.
Alright, I will.
Let me go inside and prepare something for him.
Alright, you have no problem.
Thank you.
Alright. I'm very sorry, my prince. I will first of all give you this injection to subdue the pain. Treat your wound, then cover it with bandage. I know it will be painful, but please bear it. Okay?
This is the 9th day, yet no sign of Ojafo. The bastard is wounded. He's wounded, yet he managed to vanish. Why? Because of your incompetence. Your incompetence is costing me a lot.
We are sorry, Your Majesty. But we will keep looking.
You will keep looking. You're sorry. That's because you're a fool. You're a nincompoop. A complete idiot, that's what you are. Make sure you find Ojafo, else I will slaughter all of you.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Get out. Get out.
Okay, boss.
Here you are, terribly vexed. I am here for you. You know you can ask me for anything. Have I not done enough to earn your trust? Have I not?
And you expect me to beg you? Huh? You expect me to beg you? I am your husband, and I am king of this land, King Madoka. I will not beg you. Never. You remain my wife. You are my wife, and you are my subject. So you will obey me. You expect me to beg you when you can handle certain things for me. That's why you're my wife. I will not beg. Never.
You may be the king, but you need me to remain the king.
What do you want? What are you doing to me? What are you doing to me?
Be still. It will not take time, but it will be painful.
Please do not hurt my baby, please. Please do not hurt my baby. Please don't hurt my baby. Please no.
Thank you. Now I know where your husband is. Where is His Majesty?
I don't know where he is, my queen.
This is the address of where Ojafo is hiding. Do not come back here without him. Dead or alive.
Yes, my queen.
Brother?
You are still here?
Yes, so but I'm almost done.
It's okay.
Are you going out already?
Yes, now let me go to workshop. You take this. Try if you can manage it to prepare something for us.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Let me be going.
Oh, brother, but that will be after I'm done with my patients. I have patients to attend to, please.
Okay. It's okay.
Alright.
It's alright.
Thank you.
But try not to be late.
I will.
You know we've not eaten this morning.
I will. I'll try my best.
Please try.
Alright.
Let me go to workshop.
Bye-bye.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Bye-bye. Good luck.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Good man. Where is he?
Who are you and who are you looking for?
Hi, are you questioning my authority?
Sorry.
When I ask you a question, you answer me. Is that clear? I said, where is he?
But who are you and who are you?
That's got shot. I think they've traced you. Let's go. Let's go.
Did you see anyone?
No, I think they've escaped.
Let's go.
Michael, you give Amara, did you give her the money to cook the food?
Now hunger and I they do you like this. I no go give her the money. Huh? I don't even know what is keeping this food. Huh? Up till now.
Una dey panic. Na ulcer dey do you this thing. See as you dey yawn. If na water drink, may you no fall. Na ulcer. If you say the food never dry water, she wan put crayfish, maggi and salt on top am. So relax. Everywhere good. You go deliver. I don't need to always deliver a poly unit. So no shaking for this side.
Advisor Wamagbe. You sabi advice, eh? Una go take care of the shop. Let me run along. I need to check what is happening to the food. And also, I'm pressed. Let me ease myself. And in case, just in case, any customer comes around, please, you people should attend to the customer. I beg, maybe, you understand? Yes. We know the I don't know what they happen. Just make una attend. I beg. Let me
say no more. But before this piece worry you now, you don't first come worry me. No, I tell you, Auntie, I want recharge, make I feel peace well. From there now, observe if the food don't dry water and do normal pre.
If I slap you,
make I do testing.
If I slap you, you not go just do testing. testing my kinfo. Make una take care of the shop. Eh?
Please first worry me before you worry you.
Will you shut up your mouth?
That lets us with that customer pack. Who go thief the Indomie ready for that motor? That or the any who sell am. Akpakara no far. Who go look am for scare if na 2 kg, 3 kg, lose a package. Buy Scotty join. No be food matter. Bring two slam. Go lose that man Indomie now. I never back.
Where is this and why did you bring me here?
Lizzy.
Where is this?
Here is my house. I stay here with my 3 brothers. Sorry.
Keeping me in your house is a big risk. It might endanger your life and that of your brothers.
I think I'm in danger already because I left my bag that contains my ID card and my fixed aid box there.
My prince. Adani, what is going on here? What is going on here,
Mike, relax. It's a long story, but first of all, we have to safeguard him first.
Safeguard? Like this? Safeguard prince? You were asked to bring food to the shop. I waited for you. And now here, you are telling me I should say. Come to think of it. Don't tell me the prince is the patient Betty has been hiding from us.
Mike, stop. These questions are not necessary. Just call others to come back home. There's a problem, a very big problem.
And there's a problem, what?
You shouldn't have left your bag there. And your ID is in the bag.
Yes.
I smell danger.
Wait. I need to get this straight. Are you trying to say Benji is dead?
Yes, he's dead.
He was killed by the same person that's after the prince.
Madoka is behind all this. My foolish and greedy stepbrother. Our father disowned him many years ago before he died. Because he made an attempt on his life several times, trying to take power by force, while our late father was still alive. But that's by the way. Let me go. Keeping me here means risking your lives. So please, let me leave this vicinity.
No. You're my patient. I won't let you go until you are recovered. Brothers, please, we need to protect him. Prince Ojafo is a good man. We need to try our possible best to protect him, please.
You are right. This is our kingdom. I will not allow any black sheep, any dog, any overgrown idiot to take away our peace. We'll stand by Prince Ojafo. We'll stand with him. We'll stand for the kingdom. We'll fight for the kingdom.
Yes, fight for fight.
We'll fight.
Yes.
That's what it.
One. Thank you very much.
You said you told Baz and Morocco where to find Ojafo.
Correct. They will bring him to you, dead or alive.
What about his wife and unborn child? What do you plan to do with them?
The Watchers has not spoken yet.
Boss, the boys are back, but they said they missed him. They came back with his items.
What am I supposed to do with these? Huh? I'm asking you, what am I supposed to do with these items? Why are they so incompetent? What do I pay them for? Get out. Get me Baz, now.
Okay, boss.
Jesus Christ. What do you think you are doing calling that name here? It's you. It's you that I pity. Look, you're bleeding. You know what? No need to panic. All we need to do right now is to trash this. We need to make something new for the king. He must not find out about this.
You're right. Go and clean up yourself and change to something else.
Fast! See, just bring out new ingredients. We need to make something new. Trash this right away. Okay. I'm coming. Let me just... I'll be back. Just... Okay. Why are you crying? Come. It's okay, stop crying, huh? There's no need for you to cry. We should all be thankful to the gods that we saw it early enough. It's okay, stop crying, okay? Huh? Just look at you. You're even burning up. Stop crying. It's not your fault. Did you hear me? It's not your fault. So stop crying. Everything's going to be fine. So you just take 20 minutes to relax before coming to join us in the kitchen. Okay, thank you. It's fine. Just lie down. Stop crying. It's okay, yeah? Everything's going to be fine. I'll be in the kitchen.
Yeah. Huh? What is it? Ichie, what is it? Why are you smiling?
Chioma, have you seen that thing I do not like about you? Eh? You don't respect people that respect you. Why? Is it good? Huh?
Ichie, if you have something to say it and be fast about it. I have somewhere I need to be right now.
Chioma, wait. Are you telling me that that place you are going to is more important than you having quality time with me? Eh? Come on. Eh? Oh, no, young elder. Eh? I've told you forget about these white hairs. They are just inherited. In fact, I started growing white hairs when I was very tender. Eh? I'm still at my early 30s. Yes, you don't let this confuse you. Eh? Moreover, remember, I'm a man with a silver wallet, a good dog. Eh? Anyway, let me go straight to the point. Chioma. See, in this whole kingdom, you are the only woman I see. No other woman in this kingdom. Eh? I love you. Please, I want you to be my woman. Because eh?
Are you listening to yourself? Ichie, don't you know your mate? Don't you see that I'm too young for you?
You're still repeating the same thing I just told you.
Please, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You can't chat. Where are you going? Are we? Okay, man. Chioma, wait. Huh? Your Majesty. Yes,
Came to see me.
Yes, Your Majesty.
What for?
Well, Your Majesty, something that will really interest you. You see, Your Majesty, this palace needs fund. Onyeza, I'm not saying you don't have enough money. No, I know you have money, you see. But for the fact that you have a lot of people on your payroll, you know what I'm saying? I think I just came to my mind that I should suggest to you that our people should begin to pay for their protection. Onyeza, what do you want?
Nice idea.
You see, Onyeze, so my suggestion is that anyone patronizing our market should pay tax. Yes, those coming in to buy and those selling, they should pay tax. At least to Lolo. Yes, Your Majesty, I have this plan that they should pay tax. Yes, at least with this, the palace will have a lot of money to take care of the affairs of the kingdom.
Nice. Brilliant idea. Brilliant. How do you propose we go about it?
Well, yes, I think I suggest to send some of your trusted boys while I supervise their activities.
I see. Alright, I'll trust your discretion. You handle it.
Thank you so much, Onyeze.
Alright. Very well then. You may leave.
Thank you. No. I am doing.
Find out why my fool's not ready.
You two saved her life. I would have used her to replace the person she intended to kill. I believe the food is ready now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Can serve the food now.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Don't worry, okay? Everything will be fine.
I'm worried. My wife was shot and she's pregnant. I don't even know her condition now.
Do you want me to ask around? I can ask someone.
No. That would be exposing yourself to danger. And I wouldn't want that.
Don't worry, I'll be very careful. No one will see me. I'll be very careful.
The characters in question are dangerous and smart. Don't expose yourself.
I heard she's pregnant.
That's the more reason I'm worried.
Your wife, the queen.
Yeah, she's few months pregnant.
I will answer your maker. You got it.
Don't. I know what to do.
Sorry, okay? Sorry. Sorry.
He needs help. And I will do everything humanly possible to help him.
But you have to be very careful. You know the enemy we are up against. Be very careful.
I will be careful. But we need to help him. Sorry.
Who is that?
Someone.
How are you doing now?
What's up now?
It's been a while.
It's wrong, man.
What's
about the
palace and everything that is happening, the saga at the palace?
Well, it has not been easy. But what will I do? As a man, you must stay alive.
My dear, you see that one you just said, stay alive. It's very important. You have to stay alive. Eh? How about the prince and his wife? Have you heard any news about them?
Nothing. No one knows if the prince is still alive or not. As of his wife, she's locked up in one of the rooms upstairs.
Locked up?
I'm telling you.
Are you serious? Please, I came to see someone in this vicinity.
Okay.
So I decided to check up on you.
No problem.
Please, let me be going.
Thank you so much.
Stay alive.
I'm fine.
It's okay.
Alright now. Take care of yourself.
Alright. Yeah.
Alright now.
Everybody know.
Hey! All you see me can. Maka na mụ agụ niile churu ụfọdụ ala ụfọdụ eje eje.
My prince, you are right. I saw someone washing through the entrance of the gate. And I saw her tracing me. And if I see her, I can recognize her.
Do you know this person in question?
Yes. Her name is Shola. She's a contract killer. That simply means that that fool has put a bounty on my head.
So what do we do now? What are we going to do?
Listen, switch off your phones and bring out the SIM cards immediately.
No.
Destroy what? Why?
Remove your SIM card. Condemn it at once.
Now business line, so
you need to be alive to do business. I'm not Maduka. We'll be tracing you all through that SIM.
That's our business line. You want us to go hungry?
Don't worry, I'll tell you what to do to get feeding money. Destroy your SIM cards. Izagaro was Yaga.
My babe, look at this, my new line.
Are you stupid? We are talking about I'm talking about babe. What is wrong with you? Babe, kill you there.
This is the address of the man you're looking for.
Thank you, my queen. I'll be on my way now.
How many shoes you carry for them? Go carry more. Carry more. If I bet, I don't know. Madam, no time, no. You get why they call me. No time, no. People check that woman. Madam, I bring her. I go scatter your market. I go scatter your market. Roger. Come on, bring your money. Come on, Yami. Guys, go away. If anybody stress me, I go stress her for this guy. Exactly. If you not stress me, I go stress you. See, bring her to 1,000. Yeah, bring her to 1,000. Roger. You don't concern me now. I don't concern me. I don't get time.
Don't know what they say. Yeah, people.
I Mama, don't tell me. You never know where. Mama, you know where I come from. Where the money there? I'm from Benin. She doesn't have money. I come from Benin. Wait, now you want to believe something, Abi? Wait, the last time I met no enter your mind, Abi. This woman don't understand better than me. Oh, that's not my fine. Wait a minute. Yes. Who get the shop? See, where the shop? Roger. Where the money now? Roger. Where the shop? Wetin dey happen for here? Okay, we don collect this line.
What are they bring at
Wait, which can me dey ask?
Now jump question you dey ask so.
You don't know me, okay? Now we dey collect tax for the market. Bring your money na 1K.
What are you using the money to do?
But I bring the money now. Which kind of question be that one now?
Ask the question.
Come on, bring money.
What are you
See,
using
people. What is the wait for? They collect one leg for here.
Don't try.
Don't try waiting.
No stress. No
if you invest with the know.
What?
Come on for the
If you invest with the know.
enter my shop.
If you invest with the know. If you invest with the know.
Take that woman. Take that woman.
What's wrong?
Alpha, how you be?
No stress.
Oh yeah.
Give me the money. I'm not
You
going
don't give
here.
me money. You don't give me any money.
Come, wait.
Stand there.
See that she will
If
be
you enter my
elected.
shop, I will show you.
Ah, you be like now make me come up with
Give me money.
Come on, bring the money here.
Drop my table.
No worry.
Don't push table.
Now me the romance abi. No worry, I go tell Shama we go lock the shop.
Bring the money.
I will lock up.
We go lock the shop. We go lock the shop. You go see.
When I check this one, I am madam.
Yes.
Okay, no worry.
What's in there? You know what's in there?
Don't come me say we don't come.
I think I better hold this one. Check to that woman.
Oh yeah, now I'm alpha. See.
Come, wait. Public announcement. See, as I come to your shop, I don't want the man they bring out the money. If they don't bring it here, we don't look everywhere.
You go do it. You get why you call me people now. You get why you answer one leg.
Give me the one. Bring your money.
Bring your money. No, do that thing with me. I know they for sweets. They don't stress me. Wait. I don't do that one. No. Give me the go.
I don't get any money now. Which
You don't start. I don't get strength to talk with you.
Okay, come on my shop. Come on my shop. I don't get any money. Money when I don't say I want to give you money.
Okay, no.
Okay, come on for here. What do you want to do?
No, try me.
Okay, come on for here. I don't get any money. Okay, come on. Come on for here. Okay.
Come.
Meg! Jesus! Okay, you don't come on for here. You don't take Meg.
I go do this something.
You want to make it come. Okay,
what did they stop for here?
Okay, I don't believe it.
What did they happen for here?
You don't stand up with my
What did they happen for here?
You don't stand up with my
Come on.
You don't come for here.
Come on.
Not too long. Not come for my ego.
Look at this.
Who's not come for my ego?
I go jab. You the man. Make I land you. I go land you.
I'm not agree.
You leave this girl alone. Leave her where they go. Where are you? Leave her. Come on, leave her. I go hold you. Come on, leave her.
Your Majesty, you asked why I don't hate you like other Ichis do.
Yes. And you're here to give me an answer.
Well, Your Majesty, when power is in play, I seize the moment as it presents itself.
Just like the tax money you initiated. I hope it works.
Your Majesty, just relax and see the result. Yes.
Alright. So, what's your interest in all of this?
Your Majesty, I know you are a generous king. I don't. And we will never argue whatever you give me. But no. Oh, they are here.
Boss, like one of the G's. We never count up to know how much we do inside.
Yes. I told you to walk. I told you to walk. Good. I told you to walk. Just imagine the height of greed. Eh? My initiation, my intellectual property, my idea. If I had known, I wouldn't have even brought this idea in the first place. Every time we go out, make millions of naira. You give me peanut. Huh? Okay, now today, 2 million, the whole 2 million naira, he's giving me just 20,000 naira. Wicked soul. Huh? I think I know what to do. I know what to do. There's no problem. Let me just give this one. I know what to do. Cha kama.
No, just this one smells very nice. Pepper not good. It's pepper. I don't know what to.
You are smart, but I am better. Where is it? The prince and your sister, where are they? I
Now that you've confirmed that your wife is still alive, what's your plan?
I will definitely go and rescue my wife.
Okay. And I've been thinking, why not report this case to the police? At least they will handle it.
Police will delay the case. And Maraka is somehow influential. He can bribe, he can manipulate. So I will do it my way. Trust me, it will end in praise.
I see. No problem if you say so. So okay.
The life is sniffed out from someone.
Viper the electric! The Viper the electric! Viper the electric.
How far now?
I'm fine, my brother. Viper, what is going on now? Why are you looking like this? Why are you this sad? The last time I checked, you were about becoming the king of your kingdom. What happened?
My foolish elder brother has bitten more than he can chew. And it's time for us to show him the stuff we are made of. I need the Brotherhood now.
No one dares the Brotherhood and go scot-free. No one! I will summon the Brotherhood this night.
I believe you. We need to sit down and decide. Oh, forgive my manners. This is my God-sent. She has been the one taking care of me and protecting me and even treating me at the same time. She has lost a lot of people along the line.
Thank you so much for taking care of my brother.
You're welcome.
Viper, we shall summon the Brotherhood tonight and we will address this issue.
Very important. We need to sit down and strategize on how to attack that fool. Because nobody has the monopoly of madness. Yes. You can't be mad when you have the king of madness around.
Good to see you, my brother. Good to see you.
Thank you. I have a bullet wound.
Sorry. Let's go inside, please.
Okay.
Amara, food is ready. Come and eat.
Alright, I'm coming.
Guy at the verse. At the para. Ojafo na our capon. Na our leader. Na person we say don't dey for us when nobody did it. Na person we get us for heart. And we go do everything to make sure he dey safe. The guy they go through a lot now at this stage. And he dey para me. Now our family be this, now our blood. So he dey hurt my feelings, say one kind Jew man dey trample upon him right. Just because of saying get kala. He dey treat our own number one anyhow. Omo I dey para badly.
Not everybody kala the fit. As him price the market, him go buy. Our Capone, number one for the game. Now in the threaten. We got the money pool now. The threaten now. But I wanna. Yeah, I want them to go collect them.
Brotherhood. Good for you. Good for you. Brotherhood. Is Agaro. Was Gaga.
Shop is very big. Yeah, very, very big. Wow, my dear Choma. I know where and when I am wanted. You see, this time around it is business. Yeah? You see, we now run this town. Yes, you must be aware that every shop in this market has been paying their tax. She knows now. I'm very sure you have paid. So where is your receipt? So if you've not paid, give us your 1,000 naira. I'll say so.
I don't have any money to give you.
Huh? You don't have any money to give me. You don't have any money to give me. Listen, you have denied me the other one. Now you're still denying me my right. I'm doing my job. I'm on my duty post. Where is your 1,000 naira?
I don't have.
Which one is that you don't have? Where is your money now?
Equalize the bag. Equalize now. Let's go.
Why are you taking my bag to? Bring Bring it! Give me my bag.
What is it this time?
Chioma, why is it that anytime you see me, you feel you've seen an enemy? Eh? You will be raising shoulders. Enough room, Mozu. Why now? It is love. Come on.
Okay, what is it?
Good question. Well, I want to inform you that you should know now that I have power. Hence, this kingdom is consigned now. Eh? I have authority. I control things now. Eh? Well, I understand the way you feel. You feel bad because of what my boys did yesterday at the market. Don't mind, don't mind. You see, those things, they will return it to you. And in fact, I will give you extra things. Just know that you have to love me. Yeah? Once you agree with my terms and conditions, all those things will be. In fact, I will double everything. Come on.
Iche, do you know what you look like? You are disgusting me right now. Would you? Let's go.
Choma, wait. Wait. You're a very lucky girl. Because I actually thought you were receiving a serious beating. Serious one, no?
Look here. I don't know how else I'm going to spell it out to him that I don't like him. I don't like him at all.
Do you know what? Let's go. We'll talk about that later.
Just look at what love has turned me to. Well, I can be disgusting. Hence, you agree to love me.
Ichie Marcus.
Your Majesty.
Is this all the money you collected today?
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, the market was just very scanty. Only had me today.
You scanty the total amount of 1,756,000 naira. And you kept to yourself the sum of 756,000 naira. I believe that is terribly disheartening and also an insult for you to come before the king of this great land with the sum of 1 million naira. Isn't it?
Ichie Marcus.
Your Majesty.
You heard my wife. Is it true? Nana.
No, Your Majesty. I did not. It's not true. It's not true.
Chioma, you paid her to accept you as your woman. Isn't that poorly of you?
How did you know all this?
I pay special attention to my surroundings.
Your Majesty, she's saying the truth. I'm sorry.
Ichie Marcus, I hate it when people try to play smart with me.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. Please, don't shoot me. I will return all the money. Because don't forget the past, Your Highness. Please, Your Majesty, please. I'm sorry.
It's already too late.
Sorry, Your Majesty, please.
My darling, any news on Ojafo?
Not yet, my lord. I assure you, I have everything under control. So please relax.
Baz. I do not remember scheduling any meeting today.
His Majesty. Your Majesty.
Why are you here?
Your Majesty. The level of tasks our market women has been subjected to is so alarming. Please, my king, consider that these people are petty traders. They do not make so much money, and it is very hard for them to pay such in the name of taxation.
Noted. Anything else?
Your Majesty, Ichie Marcus has been missing since days now. And the last place he was seen is in this palace.
I killed him. He became greedy, so I killed him. Same fate will befall anyone who tries to challenge my rule as the king of this land. My word is law. You disobey me, you die.
Your Majesty, you cannot do such to us. We're in the civilized world, where everyone expressing his or her right. How can we be enslaved in this our kingdom? But, Your Majesty, please.
Come back here.
His Majesty. His Majesty.
I believe both of you also have the right to express yourself. Do you wish to use your rights? Get out of my palace.
Mazi, just hold on. You'll be good. There's a chemist man, a mercy man in that place. He's a good boy. He will treat you. He has some mercy you can give to you. You'll be good. You are a man. Stand up, my brother. It is the situation we have found ourselves. It is well. It is well.
What has befallen this our community? Umudem is indeed in trouble.
Umudem is doomed. Okay, let's go. It's okay. It's okay.
Maduka! Maduka!
Come out here, you wicked soul. Maduka! I want my wife, else there will be bloodshed. Maduka! Come out here! Come out here! I swear to God, if you don't release me, I'm alive.
Never! I said never! She's the only access to get to you. So she stays!
Women don't talk when men are talking. Maduka! I want my wife! Else there will be bloodshed here and now. 1, 2, 3! I want my wife.
Nche, sorry. But did you hear those gunshots?
Hey!
Sorry, Nche. Sorry.
I heard it. It sounded like civil war. But what could generate such things in our community?
Mundane is bleeding, but the gods have remembered us.
Please, I want you to clarify things to me. What did you mean that Umudim is bleeding and our gods have remembered us? Please, I do not understand. Please, make things clearer to me.
Yes, I will tell you. Prince Ojafo is around. He is alive. He went to the palace to fight Maduka with fierce looking men. Bullets were flying left, right and center like brimstones from hell.
gods of our land, please intervene on our behalf.
You're back. Why is everyone quiet? Okay, I understand. But believe me, guys, we are coming out stronger. Just believe. Trust in me, we are coming out stronger, okay?
See, Bunny, just buy relaxer. Buy relaxer because you no go understand anything. Damn, you no go understand what it mean to fail. So just buy chillers balls.
Guys at the verse. We underestimate these people too much. At the verse.
Madoka, you are now my business. And the worst thing that can happen to you is to become my business. I will not focus on any other thing until you are down. Madoka. Izagaro was Yaga. We need to re-strategize and attack again.
Now the Matthias be that. No, now the Matthias be that. That re-strategize. Now be the Matthias. Because we will not fit lap this maniple empty hand. So if we have to re-strategize, we need to lap this maniple when we don't sell it now. So this maniple go believe now. No, who goes this maniple now? Tested and trusted.
So you want me to jazz up?
Now the matter be that. You know they feel me. You don't feel lap that maniple now. That maniple, you know they empty. We need to sell it now. We need to get ourselves tested and trusted now. So if we jam that maniple, we can collect auto. With that man now.
Native doctors know they collect gate fee now. We go run them.
I saw the matter just be.
Now maybe you surgery. Now maybe the alligator will stop evil. That's maniple go believe. No be choice.
Your husband was this close in joining you. But don't worry, sweetheart. It won't be for long, because he will surely fall into my trap. The spider's web is not just its sleeping spring, but also its hunting tool. 8. I don't want you dead before I reunite you with your husband.
Do not think that you have won. My husband, Ojafo, is a lion and a true born king. He will rise from the ashes and the dust, and he will reclaim everything that you have stolen from me.
Say one more word, and I will delete you from the surface of this earth.
You are a thief! You are a thief! Do your worst.
I dare you! I dare you to do your worst. Kill me! Kill me if you want to. You will be the head and not the tail. From today henceforth, you are fortified. You will be the head and not the tail. All the days of your life, you shall conquer. Omenizu, Omenowa. Obuye fuka neme, obuye nuzi mmeka neme, obuye nuzi mmeka neme, obuye nuzi mmeka neme. Woke, okwasi na mmiri ade wilo. My husband, you are fortified. You are indestructible. You are unshakable. It is done. Rise, for it is done.
Welcome to the shrine of the living dead. You seek to kill that which eats the dead.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Madoka and his wife are vultures. And for you to kill them, you all need to die.
What do you mean by we have to die to kill someone? It's not making sense to me. Speak in plain terms, and we walk on.
Vultures don't eat what is alive. You all need to die and resurrect in the next 4 days. Before you can defeat a man like a Madoka, you must first defeat death. And after that, you sacrifice a virgin girl to claim the power of the gods.
Let's go. I'm kind to go. But wait, Cholo. Cholo, no.
I'm here.
Somebody's praying! Somebody's
Praying?
Yes!
Who?
What's quarters? Help me! Help me!
Greeting, Your Highness.
Did I not warn you never to pray in my palace?
Please, I'm sorry, Your Highness. I swear by the God.
I'm not comfortable with this whole idea. Must I do something fetish to neutralize Mordeka's power? Must we?
According to Ajali, we go need to defeat Maduka and rescue your wife as well before we go get that power.
You don't understand. Must we kill? You heard what the native doctor said. We need to kill a virgin. That's my problem.
Okay, even if we agree, where you go see virgin in this country? Ojafo, I work for you. See, if I don't know you, I could say you dey come Vatica. Why you go to talk like this? You talk like say you're the tension. Now this thing you suppose ask am. Now see, your liver the failure now waiting.
No be liver matter. You know say liver day. But okay, why you want to see virgin now? Virgin still in this country. How are we supposed to get a virgin?
Ojafo, you be small pikin. So now we go tell you the right thing to do. Now we go to tell you what to do, to how to get revenge. Guy, if you need power, you go take risks.
See, nobody say I don't get mind to kill. But I don't kill without reason. That's a senseless killing. Which time you say man will bring virgin? Okay, cow no go do the thing. Can't we give like 4 cows?
Now cow then take put it for temporal. No, hear yourself cap now. Now cow you take it for temporal like this. See, use your head pan no. Which one be if na cow something? Eji wu na cow tig na temporal. Now do what is right now. You cap like person with the tench.
So I must go his way to defeat him.
No, only sika asa now. We go do the right thing at the right time. Did you hear me so? We go do the right thing at the right time.
I don't hear you.
Come to talk like say one person. We that money now. Check people who don't fight. Check people who don't go down. We don't go overboard.
If na your younger sister be the virgin, will go move. Will you be happy? If na your younger sister now be the virgin, I'm not comfortable with this.
I heard everything, but I wonder why you are so reluctant in taking action. My brothers were murdered in cold blood. Your wife held captive with your first child. You must do something no matter what it takes. Do something.
No matter what it takes.
Because no matter. No, all these ones where you tell him now, is he new to it? No matter. You can't careless.
Guys, I don't come up for you. Ojafo, you know the right thing, have you? Do the right thing.
Why are you people behaving as if I'm a chicken-hearted fellow? Okay, no problem. I'll go buy virgin. Na coke. Give me 3 virgins. No problem. But you're talking rubbish, man.
We go find out.
It's easy to keep.
Don't worry, I will look for it.
Give me 3 virgins.
I understand your predicament. I understand you very well. But being moody won't solve the problem. Please, you have to stop.
How do you want me to stop? Exactly how do you want me to feel? Just look at me. I have become a shadow of myself. I spent 6 good years in the university to make good life. I'm not even talking about the wasted time Asu took. My dreams, my future, my sweet ambition, all locked up in the cupboard. Just look at me, wallowing in the village. I'm supposed to be your elder brother, providing for you, giving you the necessary support you need in life. And you expect me to be happy with this situation?
Only I understand you. I understand everything. But we have to put our faith in God. Okay? We have to put our faith in God, believe in God that it's going to be better someday. Please.
I'm here to see the day come by. I'm still hoping. I keep asking myself, if not for this nonsense service that you provide in the village, just to sort out 1 or 2 things, what would have happened to you? What would have happened to my beautiful sister? I'm just nothing. A figurehead. I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
One name, remember, a living dog is better than a dead lion. When there is life, there is hope. Okay? Let's keep our hope high. It will be better someday. Believe in God, please. Please.
Is there no food in the kitchen?
No, so there's nothing in the house. This Gary is the only food in the house.
You know, say make you try something where red oil if you relate with who know it goes on.
I beg if Kwame, but there's no money. But we can manage this Gary at least. It's big. We can manage it.
They manage Gary. No, I'm fine. I'm okay. Enjoy.
No, so why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to yourself? Have you forgotten the advice our late parents gave to us? We should always believe in God. Put your faith in God. Where is your faith? Don't you believe in God anymore?
Again, when I tell you, say me and God no they relate.
Because I thought say I no go manage. They enjoy, enjoy your cassava flakes and floating waves of coconut.
Stop this. We can manage this, Gary, at least. I know you've not had anything all day. We can manage it.
I do alright. I did. What's my belly? You fool.
So this Gary is sweet though. You like it?
For salt, Gary will salt. Then I go like, who is this woman? Enjoy. It's not. I don't believe.
I don't want to drink again.
Cause I no great drink Gary with salt today. No, enjoy your pizza, your cassava flakes and floating wood.
What is your highness?
Fine. You're doing well. Yes, indeed. Your king is proud of you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You have proved to be a worthy son of Umudim.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Your plantain plantation is doing very well.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Extremely well. Yes. In fact, it has caught my interest. I called you here to tell you that plantain plantation now belongs to me. You may go.
No, Your Majesty. You can't take it away from me. This is the only land my late father left for me. And this is the only source of our livelihood. I can't allow you to take it away from us, Your Majesty.
I did not call you here to bargain with you. I called you to inform you that the plantain plantation now belongs to me. For the last time, you may leave.
No, you can't take it away from me. That will be over my dead body. You can't take it away from me. You can't take it away from me. This is only the way we survive in our family.
No.
Over your dead body.
Your Highness, please. Your Highness, please.
Executed.
Please, Your Highness. Hey! Your Highness! Your Highness! Your Highness! Your Majesty! You guys will judge you! Your Majesty!
Madam, no come here come show emotion. You hear me, huh? No come here come show. No hear me.
You have finished the first phase of your immortality. You have 3 days to offer the sacrifice.
Wise one. I think say you go help us find the sacrifice now.
Tell your friends. Each of us should look closely to see what he's looking for.
Look closely. Wise one. Make I understand with you the cap. What do you mean when you say Ojafo should look closely? Wise one. Cap me vertically now. The cap vertical.
Blood of a virgin will unlock what you need to win the fight before you. Remember, 3 days. Remember, 3 days. 3 days to offer the sacrifice.
Bro, we don't have much time, okay? Listen, we need to do this immediately.
Why?
We can't wait again. Let me call you back, please.
Tony, what is going on? What is happening? Since you guys returned from wherever you went to, you people have been moody. What is happening? Especially Ojafo. What is going on? Can someone talk to me? What is happening?
Amara, it's not something you should bother yourself about.
Tony, don't walk out on me. Come and tell me what is going on. I need answers. What is happening? Why is everyone quiet? What is happening? Tony! Why is everyone quiet? Tony!
Guy, this is really absurd. Telling Ojafo to sacrifice that babe doesn't make any sense. Just to become powerful. Eh? Not after everything that babe has gone through because of that guy.
Bring down your voice. Tell you now.
Guy, she know day how she don't come out. I wonder how that guy they feel at this point now. I wonder. Eh?
The truth be say, Ojafo owe his life. So to buy that girl, it no go easy at all.
You know go easy now. Now the problem we would get with that because considering the time frame we will get, it is very, very short. You know how tedious it is to find virgin for this country. It be like say you find pin for where he's stuck. Now why did they bother? Because I know how that guy they feel at this point.
Yeah, you don't see. It's not easy for Ezekiel. I want to make a Barnabas first. A Barnabas, I got feel reason well, waiting. You feel me? Even if I will buy in 2 days time, I cannot say my reasoning go well. Because as it stands, if you look at very well, no, now Facebook and well now. If Facebook this matter well now, you go see say it no go easy. But if you no fit get virgin like you say, why I want now? We use the healthy now. We use our
say
simple thing. But to use the clothes to cover her face, she go buy well everywhere. I go buy from her.
My guy, this thing no dey easy. This thing no easy as you dey talk am. It no dey easy at all. I just weak for this matter. This matter really weak me. I don't know what to do at this point.
Just buy relaxer. Everything go fall in place. Last, if you don't fall in place, we Casablanca everywhere. No believe. Chill.
Amara. This Bunny don't buy you.
Hey!
What happened this?
Ojafo, I know if you've been reluctant to do this. You must do in order to avenge and fight back my brother's death. That's why I have to do this. I am still a virgin and I need my brother's death avenged. Please do not waste my sacrifice. Kill the people that took everything from me.
Ojafo needs to say this.
In as much as we are still mourning a beautiful soul, Amara, it's time to do the needful. That arrogant fool Madaka that is always full of himself, it is time to crush him. We will not only dismantle his source of income, but to make sure his life is cut short. I know Madaka very well. He's a nobody. Our father discarded him. He left the palace with nothing. All this money he's throwing around was made illegally through drug pushing.
I can't wait. Me, Usoji, the alligator pepper will stop evil. I know if you wait to see that maniple fall on his knees, beg you. Brother, that guy go fall on his knee, they cry, they beg you. Maba, I swear.
Maduka must suffer before he dies. He will pay for all he has done to you. He will.
Adade Buayala and Adagwo Chintina Yesu. It is time to slaughter Maduka.
Who be this? What's up? What do you define for here?
I mean, I no expect to see you for this place. If I may ask, what thing happened to Sansan?
You ask too many questions, but I go answer you one after the other.
That one there.
You see me, Usoji, the alligator pepper will stop evil. I did disappointed to see Mandela like you. Because no be Mandela like you, I be on Facebook. Person when I want to see here, na Maduka.
Based on saying Maduka they busy. You know as they be now. Yeah? Maduka guys take care of business. That guy is too busy to, to grace himself with your presence. You know as they be now, Osaji.
See, make I tell you, English no be our mother language. Yeah? But I go still tell you something. Tears and water might look alike, but they no be the same. You dey feel me?
That one day.
Tell Maduka say, he don't communicated. That is if he understand the English when I speak. But if you no understand my caprison, bye.
What you didn't get to know be say in business go soon crash. And when it crash, in mind go dey. In the army, Osoji, you get what you talk just now. As you drop that line, it be like say water dey my ear. I no hear am well. I don't understand which one be say we are excommunicated. How? Based on waiting, I don't understand. I beg you fit throw more light. Make I feel am well. Pikin wey no know him mama boyfriend. They call am uncle. Tell Maduka say in business don't crash. Make him know they come here to come look for Sansan, say one thing, because as it stands, he know they needed. But as it is, because say you be manchi wey no one or two, you get sense, but you know they use your kafa. I want make you come join us so go own this business. But if you say you no go join force with me, bye I wanna. When the matter go start, Abobi you go collect woto. Bye I wanna. When the matter happen, you believe.
It's such a business we get foundation, no fit capsize. You know that one.
It depends on how many feet we then dig the foundation.
No, you cannot do this to me. You cannot. Listen, I am not an ordinary person. Okay, you know this. I have contributed so much to the growth of the organization. You can't just excommunicate me like that. No, I say no. Listen, speak to the hierarchy. I am one of those who have strengthened the organization. I started it. Speak to the hierarchy. Alright, fine. How much do you want me to pay? How much? I'll send it to you. You can't take me out like that. How much? What? Wait. Hold on. Did you just say someone paid you to take me out? A boy paid you to take me out of the organization? Who? Ojafo? Get the cars ready. Ojafo, what do you think you are doing? Cutting off my supplies. You want to die?
Maduka, you can't kill me. My message is simple. I want to make sure I cripple you financially. Yes. I want you to crawl in the mud as a pig that you are before taking your life.
I see.
The biggest mistake you made was coming for what is mine. For that singular reason, I will take everything that belongs to you before taking your life.
Before taking my life? You make me laugh, Ojafo. You cannot kill me. It is impossible. I am the python that swallows elephants. And you remain my younger brother. Whatever you think you know now, I have known for so many years before you got to know it.
If I wanted you dead, you won't be here blabbing. I want to make sure you wallow in abject poverty before taking your life. And that's exactly what I will do.
Ojafo, death is coming to you. Mark my words, Ojafo. Death is coming to you.
My friend, leave this place, you lousy fool.
Ah, my prince, this is you.
Yes, Nayokolo. How is your leg?
This is where they have reduced me to, that I cannot do some strenuous activities.
It is well, even in the well. I want to say a big thank you for always standing by me, standing by the truth, and always supporting what is right. Thank you very much. As for your leg, let me see what I can do. Brown envelope. Please manage this. This is 300,000 naira.
My prince. This for me?
Please manage.
Anything you want, I can do it free of charge. You don't need to pay me.
Don't worry. May Chukwu bless you more. Sorry about what happened, okay? Better come see me. Let's see what we can do. I can maybe fly you abroad for surgery, okay?
Hey! Of course. I thank you, my prince. The gods will be with you. Nothing will happen to you. Ah, my prince.
Tell the elders that Ojafo, Prince Ojafo is back.
I will do as well.
And this time around, Obuna Izagaro was Yaga.
Oh yeah, thank you. My prince. Hey! Chukabio Michaelo. Hey! Ah. So.
Your Majesty.
What news do you bring?
Prince Ojafo is busy building allies. He paid some elders a visit and gave them a huge amount of money. As we speak, he's spraying money to the villagers. Your Majesty, that man is building serious supporters around him. What do you suggest we do?
You will do nothing.
I'm asking you, what is going on? I have you as my spiritualist, my Ezewanye, yet things keep going wrong. What is happening?
Udara's seed did not need prompting to fall. It happens at its own time. Relax, my love. For what you seek shall come to you.
What is wrong with you, woman? I'm telling you that things are going wrong here in Asimo Udala seed or Udala tree. What's your problem? I hate riddles. You know this. I hate riddles. You keep giving me riddles. Things are going wrong. Why can't I kill that boy? Why is he still alive? Huh? I've tried so hard to kill him, it's not working. I even placed a bounty on his head, yet he defies all. Why? What's going on? I had an encounter with him a few days ago. You need to see the kind of confidence that boy has built. There is something inside him. I need to know what it is. What is going on?
Bobby. How far now?
Everywhere no good. Everywhere no good. I no get joy, but I know the bad joy so.
Bobby, talk to me. What be the problem?
The opponents, they don't come to play. No, they don't come for their Malina to play. But you see this time, the strategies, their backline don't expose woto. Because me will make them believe. No choice.
Bobby, what did they happen? Talk to me. Go straight to the point.
Check out those Ekuke now. Those small boys, then get the morale, they get the inner chester, enter market, go they collect from people. Whether you they buy or you they sell, then go they collect from you. Bobby, that is looting in disguise. Who give them the inner chester now? Who give them the morale to do that kind of nonsense now? But you see me, I go make them believe. I go make them know say, I be alligator pepper who soji with the spoil evil. Go take them down. Me go take them down. No be choice.
Bobby, where it happen? Where be the place of the attack?
No, check out this Ekuke them now. Check out those small boys. Then get the morale. They get the ododo. Enter inside market. Go to collect money from people. That na looting in disguise now. Say then they collect tax. Who give them that? See, me assistants, me, Usoji. I go make them understand. Say I be alligator pepper with the spoil evil. We go take them down. Me go bring them down. No be choice.
Overboard.
Confirm now.
Exactly, Bobby. Now what did in my mind be that? Since Malik nobody won't come up for that palace, we go show them say now we get this town. Bobby, we go show them say now we get this town. You know what will go happen? We go there for the people's side. With those people, we go feel win them, Bobby. Madweke no go get any say again for this place. We go show them say now we dey run this town, Bobby. Because this is just the first me now. Who give them that right to go they collect tax for market? Who be them?
Don't worry yourself. Assistants, go play the game. Everybody go believe last.
Come on.
That mean everybody go believe last. Check out now, then they go to collect tax.
This news not just jail at all. You know just jail at all.
Bye our.
Yes. See, as you block road, I go just collect oh. I swear oh.
Where you? That money where you carry so. No be your money, na thief you thief am. Now people get the money.
Wow. Pa, me chug all there. Look this one. What nonsense are you talking about? Do you know who this money belongs to?
Come and disembark from that vertical cape. Who goes who get the money? Let's say, waiting in the cap you now. Now say, the money we una go loot for person we send una no belong to them. It belongs to the people. They feel me. So, on how it be, we gonna return that money 2 seconds.
Last man, one waiting with the even in the... Come on, go down! Stand here! People say you don't get respect! I don't surrender.
Now you say the matter.
I don't surrender. I don't surrender.
No be everybody good to carry Kala. Kala no good for na.
I know. I beg.
I beg. Listen. Take this message to your boss. Let him know the reaper is coming soon. Bastard. Come on, get that from me.
Tell your boss, say, what we show for him, you go believe. Kala no good for anybody hand. No, something. You see these small boys there? Walk on the fuck with us. I go make all of them believe.
Bastards.
Why did you allow the devil to use you? I made it clear to all of you. Nobody should make my food while menstruating. Why did you do it? You're wondering, how did the king get to know? That's because I'm a god. A non-entity like you cannot kill me. I warned you all. I said anybody who makes my food while menstruating, I will wipe out that person and his entire family. You just sentenced your family to death.
Your Majesty, please. Please spare the lives of my family, please. It was the devil's work. Your Majesty, I swear I will never do it again. Please, Your Majesty, just spare the lives of my family, please. Please, Your Majesty, I beg you. I'm so sorry. Please.
Baz!
Your Majesty, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. What have you done? What have you done? Mama, I'm sorry. I was just trying to help you. It would be so easy. But I want you to stay away from politics, especially the one that has to do with this community. What have you done?
Clean up the mess.
coast is clear. Very close. I'm very close there. Yes, I'm going to do that.
Izagaro. Where's Yaga?
The thing that baffles me in this whole thing is we are not even asking miracle. Since Prince Joshua came, he has not made any attempt either to rescue his wife and child that have become out, nor done anything to want to take over the throne for himself. Does that sound normal? I don't understand.
That man must be mad.
Yes, I think so.
He must be a madman. How could he come back without thinking of rescuing his precious wife and the throne? No. I think something is wrong with him. That man is planning something. Yes. He came back weightier, stronger. But yet, he couldn't do anything. I think that man is hatching up something. Yes. I believe he has strategies to go about the whole thing. Yes.
You think so? But my fear is that Maduka is a stubborn rat. Maduka has tasted power. And he will do anything and everything to retain that power. Remember what our people say. When a lion has tasted the blood of human, the blood of other animals, no one tastes like the human blood.
Right.
He has tasted power. And my fear is, like a wise one said, power tends to corrupt. Power tends to corrupt. And absolute power corrupt absolutely.
You're right. But this time around, that power will get him drawn in it. Yes, people do say that power is good. But when you leave it to intoxicate you,
like he has done to him now,
it will kill him.
Gods of our land. Gods of our land. We hope and pray.
Ichokolo, my brother. It has started.
Ichama.
Eh?
What is it?
It has started.
What has started?
Prince Ojafo went to the palace with fully armed men to engage Maduka in a fierce gun battle to rescue his wife. The palace, as we talk now, is deserted and his wife rescued.
Wait for a moment. Are you telling me that our queen has been rescued? I would have urged you to stop calling me His Majesty because he's not my king. Ojafo is my king, and that is the only person I know.
We all know that. Now that the gods have come to rescue us, very soon, even sooner than we expect, he will sit on that throne, the throne of his forefathers.
We have come. What we ask, we shall get. What we get is what we ask for. Oga kalake lugo.
Dear mother, I am here to know why such calamity will befall me and my household. I lost 4 of my men in the same day. And the one I have, hostage, was taken unaware to me. Why?
My daughter, the river is silent. They are yet to speak to me. But I'm surprised about what you said that happened, because it wasn't supposed to be so. But you have to go. In 3 days' time, I will come to you with an answer. You have to go, my daughter. Go! The Queen Mother is behind you. It is well with you, my daughter.
Thank you.
Thanks to the gods, you're awake. How are you feeling now?
Who are you? And where am I?
Just calm down, okay? Relax, you're safe. My name is Anthony, but you can call me Tony. I'm your husband's friend.
My husband?
Yes. He asked me to take care of you while he go run some things inside town.
My husband?
Yes.
I thought I saw him walk into the room where I was held captive.
Relax, okay? At this stage now, you don't need to stress yourself, okay? Your husband will be back shortly and he will come join you, okay? For now, I'm concerned about your welfare. Can I get you something to eat? What would you like to eat?
You are sure my husband is safe?
Your husband is fine. He will be with you soon, okay?
Okay. Can you get me a doctor then? If you can get me a doctor, I will be very grateful.
I'll get you a doctor, okay? But first, I want you to eat something. Okay? Just relax. Let me get you something to eat.
Ura Afiawan.
Ura nyan.
Afiawan ndemi boku.
Doko itemite. Kemmon. Anye dia na meme. Anye kabareri na mi dio. Doko nyete se nye yom de to mon. Diporo ke nye ribo to mon. Doko nye. Ura nyan.
Afiawan.
Nde doko itemite o. The
river goddess says that water is a peacekeeper and also an enemy maker. What you get from the water depends on what you seek. And she also said that I should ask you, what do you seek from the river goddess?
Tell her I seek immortality.
Odudu. Afiawan. Odoroki yumdidi okura baba. Emi mpo kon ubo ogo. Mi kemeke ni tron yikba idem. Mendi da wemesie.
Awawa kiri.
Odudu.
Odudu. Doko nyete. Yene kese andem nyen. Afiana wa. Ikana mi kemeke nami. Doko nyete. Kese nye yomde. Kenye yenyen. But kenye ayek ba yembo. Koro ke yek ba yembo. Doko nyese.
She said that whatever you seek shall be found, but it will be at a great cost.
Tell her I'm ready to pay anything. Just mention it.
Oruru ediedo. Afiawan. Odo okimi di imi mong inam kukuru se fo yomde. Adi enang iti abadi ebo duop adi erong efreba kimi mong ino. Awawa. Oruru kero.
Uroro nya.
Afiawan.
Nyumo ro ka temete. Ke anyeyero wem. Eyesna yeke kebe mkpawo. Esna yeke kakpa mo. Anyeyesna ro ko senita. Amake musumita yesu onyeri. Yesu onyeri kiso mo. Obuma ye to onyire mejere nyire. Ama yere nyire ma. Anyeye bante me basi.
The river goddess said, you will be buried alive in a casket for 3 days. On the 3rd day, you will be brought at the shore, and a great wind shall wash you, and your life shall become like that of the gods. The river goddess said, if you have heard all that she has said, and you are ready to do it.
We are wasting time. Can we start immediately?
She said, let's go.
Anansa nyini medio. Afiawa nyini medio. Awawa.
She said you should go into the casket.
Whoa, anansa oh. Whoa, afiawa no. Whoa, anansa eh. Whoa, afiawa no. Awawa. Come on, baby me. Ayaya oh, anansa manamo. Ayaya oh, afiawa na manamo. Ura. The peke ben power mi sen kesen mo. Anansa sosongo. Anansa manamo.
Afiawa manamo.
My lovely wife, I'm so sorry for not coming to your rescue as soon as possible. You know, easy. Sorry, okay?
It's okay. Every day I spent there, the thought of you and knowing that you will come back for me is what kept me going.
Child. Of course, I'll always come back for you. You are my joy.
But right now, what I really need is a doctor. I need to know that our baby is doing fine.
Of course. I'm sure my baby is kicking.
Yes, he is.
But we'll come, eh? Just relax. I'll get you a doctor, okay? Let's go inside.
My love.
Yeah, baby.
This is a central mount for that problem. See that? Mora and over here just show up. Need to come out. Because you don't hear scores. See, say, those small cookies when you prepare to use baby Selena. All these are small Selena what they do for back of the baby cereal. Say you don't clear the eye. Now you don't believe say you can mount no chance. Don't worry, body will tell them. The body will suppose.
However, Malik need to start good. Malik need to suffer in fear before we go buy him. Before we go make that palace, buy everybody. That guy need to suffer. So if you don't mess with us, the eyes will clear very soon.
You know what they invest me for this matter? What they invest me for this matter is say me, who sold you. Alligator pepper will stop. The way you did me for body, me who sold you. Me, alligator pepper will stop evil. Blood need to flow, blood need to scatter. But on IEB, that manchi blood, the blood of a cow is better than that manchi blood. I said something.
Yeah, you go clear, man.
Nevertheless, still cap you. You go collect what you know, you go collect.
Awawakeri? Oruru. Oruru. Akwa oruru. Oruru. Dawa temite. Bawa woke ike ni gore nye. Dawa nyaka. Yake ka eri mboromo nanga ye mama.
The white goddess said that you are now indestructible. You should go and rule the world.
Donyaka.
Go!
Donyaka.
You say go. Go and rule your world.
Oruru.
Oruru.
Awawakeri. Oruru. Awawakeri. Oruru. Anansa amanamo. Afiawana amanamo. Ojikome.
What's another news? Eke Oria Afo. Mpo. Million. Aja na izota. Onye nwe ekwe efugo ndebia. Ya ga akọwala anyị. Ị na-akọla anyị anyị eme ka isi wee kwu. Gị bụ onye nwe gị mana. Gị maka isi eje. Isi mkwuo. My child, what you seek for is possible, but I cannot just divert it to you. It will cost you a lot. Oyafugia.
Wise one, I'm ready to do whatever it takes to make sure Maduka goes down. He has beaten more than he can chew. Just say it. Agorona.
You say you can do everything.
You heard me right.
You have the heart of a lion, I tell you. Madoka died many times ago. He has a part with Onu. No matter how great a man is, whistleblower is the one that will overcome him.
Wise word. Dibia Walonzo. Walonzo Buru Dibia. Wafa. Tell us what to do to make sure Monica dies.
We've checked it. We've checked it, and it's still telling us the same thing. For you to kill Madoka, I will tell you what to do. That's it, man. I hope. He said he can do everything. He can do it. It's what you send me that I'm doing. If you did that, take it from me. Urinate inside and come back. And come back with it.
Where is who? Where is Ojafo? For the last time, where is Ojafo?
Ojafo is not here, tell you. Ojanamo, you can go. And then a bed, John, if you want. If you want, Ojanamo.
Where is he? Show yourself, old man. Are you a coward? Huh? Don't tell me you are a coward, old man. Show yourself!
Ojanamo! Ojanamo! Egele Jolo! Adabidu! Ese kacha! Abege bunde bonwe! Ebi nwa! You will bury here! Your corpse will be located here! Yes! Your corpse will be located here!
I told you, old man. I'm not a man you mess with. I confess here. Or Dalawa. Ojafo, I know you can hear me wherever you are. I told you, Ojafo, death is coming to you. I told you, death is here. You can run, Ojafo. Run! Run to the end of the world. But you cannot hide from me, Ojafo. I will get you. And I will kill you.
This is Mordecai's signature. Wise one. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. What are we supposed to do now?
Drink it.
I should drink my urine?
Yeah, drink it.
Wise one. Wise one.
I went to your house and couldn't see you. Eh? Where did you go? But I still don't understand why Prince Madoka would be looking for us. This is something he has not done ever since he emerged as a king on that throne. Who knows the mischief he's planning and cooking for us this time? If not for one thing, I wouldn't have honored that invitation. But for the sake of peace. Indeed. For the sake of peace. But if we would not go and see him, who knows what he's planning to do to us? It's either he kill us or he burn our houses. Yes. Okay, let's be going. You see that man? That beast that calls himself Prince Madoka.
Ndị mmiri ndị ezumezu ọgbantị ibe m ọmụ ọbara tụlee okedịga ọmụ besi nwanyị mmiri ọkala mmadụ ọkala mmụọ eyi ọkwa ihe akpara ka a na-eme ọkwa unu ziri m ọnụ a maka na nwata nna ya finyere oshi na-eji ụkwụ agbawa ụzọ eyi ndị nneyi ndị otu m ha si nka m pịachasịa dị m ka m sachapụ ya ọrụ akwụ ka nwoke dị ka nwoke enwe nwoke nwe odogwu ọkwa ya enwe nwoke nwe odogwu ka nwoke kwuru nụ ọya ụkpaka na-agba n'udu mmiri ọ jụkwala ọkọchị kedu ọmụnwa bụ mmiri ejubelu ụfọdụ ana ụfọdụ ejeje My lord, what you seek is coming to you. Ojafo is coming to you. Ojafo! I will feast
on your soul.
I don't have your time yet. Maduka, I warned you. I'm here to take what rightfully belongs to me. And that's all.
And that will never happen, Ojafo. No matter what you do, you can never erase nature. I am your elder brother. This throne belongs to me.
You were disqualified by the gods of our land. You are not fit to be king.
You lie, child. You have to get to me first before you get to him.
Okay. Bring it on. I told you that death will visit you. The hour has come. Adazoeza Azon and Ojafo Ghana.
The time has reached. Yes. By the power vested on me as the new Onowu of Umudim Autonomous Community, I hereby crown you Igwe Udoka the second of Umudim Autonomous Community.
The Igwe himself, long live on the throne.
Izagara was Yaga.
The king himself. Igwe Doka one. May you live long. Yes, you.
Thank you very much. Yes. Because I'm convinced deep down that the gods are behind us.
Yes.
Let's proceed to the town square for item 7.
I know, Mego. The Igwe himself.
Edochie.